So yesterday, my good friend Alex hit me up and he said, Liz, I need for you to recreate my tattoo so I can get custom chacos. So he sent me a picture of his tattoo on his back and I made a whole bunch. And I sent him a picture and I let him pick one. So I'm going to show you guys the process of me turning these into his new custom chacos. But before that, if you like this video, make sure you leave some comments and leave a thumbs up. And while you're here, subscribe. And also, I have to give a shout out to my Patreons. I have 4 now, and I got a new one this month. So shout out to Diamond, Ozzy, Shanti, and Bernie. I really appreciate you guys. And if you're interested in becoming a patron on Patreon, you can learn more at patreon.com/LizEyes. But let's get into this freaking video.
Go over there and use that mic while we'll get going here.
TV, let's let you cook. TV, what's that you cooking?